Adding a custom label will add a line of text in the camera window. Anything can be added here. Frame Info checkbox will make the text at the top left visible or invisible. You can change what information is visible by checking off the corresponding boxes. Font size and color is customizable. The same information above can be recorded to a video. To record this information to a video, check off this box. Otherwise, it will be displayed but not recorded. In the Guides tab, you can add a guide. To add one, click the plus button, then click the guide style. You can choose from crosshair, ruler, line, and target. Each of these can be customized with their position and color. You can add multiple guides by clicking the plus button. To remove a guide, click the guide and then click the X button.